in your Ghana for your chairman in a Sunday view, then a miasi, so my ordain, yetini, a Sunday view, say, make an assembly. Na Mamuti last video, no, Kaka, who said, Amra, Moses, and Pharaoh, Bosom, Ishia Muno, whom Tokana, Amukoyeno, challenge, you know. Na Onyankopon eyichire Israel for oni Egypt for I no so no lesson my say ono kwa ni nsom no na niema wabo nyina no bibie ni ho ese yesom no ono kwa ne obo asase ebo bibia na o useless sa gos no a Pharaoh na ojidi wo mu no e bi say emra Moses bae na no as some can say prove yourself a miracle. Onu mo cry ni challenge. But you can you know ukaya utu say Pharaoh abosun omo nhusu kra. O magicians ne dey third round na omo nyina omo give up. And no friend technical knockout no omo nyina omo see ade we dey nyame pa the finger of God. And you know, Yami, yes, and century when you know, in century be piano or the face one of the gods of Egyptians. No answer, no answer, no answer. Sir, I know what you say, will you far with you? Our best share Egypt for. I bear history, so Ama, we are singing as or no Yami beside him, will be any or no, and near soon. Onunkwa enti no ma obi enada ye say abuso som se ni se ni nyina ye ade hunu bibia ni ehwe o kan ni Old Testament ni New Testament ni na sa abuso som nyina no ye hu say ye nothing enti na Onyankopon ka che Israel for no say ye de omukunkunku magicians ni wese ni omutimi nye hwe magicians obi no obitima ye miracle. Na anything na ma Onyankopon o send Israel for no eko nkwasom no if you say niema o ye ni nyina no o ntimi aye den ensua lesson ewo ho essential no ye kire nyina boso nyina no enne ma fa na Israel for no o ye den o send o nyina ko slavery because I say anko o sua e so nyame yi essential ni kire o say onu nyame a obi eni ho a ere omukosom no enso no manti enti ye no lesson my na me yesho say obi a oji Kristo ni pa say obekọ obusun ho ana say obekọ malam ho say okobisa say no bisa say agisi bi a o me eni no chese obese obekọ heaven you ni pedu osa enti no ye hu say Onyankopon ko ha na yeso na omoye mo ye humone no ye kire say ono no bo bibia e bo mo nyina na ene lesson ya yede ba no ya timi din say patriarchal period ye be hwese ne ye janom omsum nami na yesu ya bibi efio ye kase patriarchal age na or period na if you were the patriarch, you know, a combination of two words. Pater meaning father, and arches meaning to rule. To make sure say a male head of a family that are all rule, and I said the head of a family or a male. And you know, you can say patriarchal period. You share that period no senior. Umunya didi o nyamimu na senior kwa mo faso eyede eso nyame na am say ene wiase Kristo som ede say minim sina menka no very sad na nka Kristo som a Yesu bom pa hesanka o ka say fa na senior me no ye ba ko no na esuafo no obom pa ma wo so no awo John chapter 17 no so mu nyina ye baako no sa bom pai say enyom kwa no bom pai na emu no wo mo magina di nyina no mu nyina ye baako no e che say baako no che say ye teach the same thing say how to become a Christian, how to live, bibia can ye baako on ka say ye nyina the whole world you go share be faako there be any possible sir. Because the whole population here is 7.5 billion. We cannot meet it in one place. But what she said, bibia and kebe meet biano as a Christopher. Nanka, you teaching bibia no any the same. And so we share will be sana or medium ye Pentecost ni. We share we also medium ye Catholic ni. We share we also medium ye Church of Christ ni. We share we also medium ye Jehovah Witness ni. Na kosu sa. Ade Bible yusu no e ba ko pe. We are back up. It's not problem being a one. Yentimi, nyina yensua de, yenya de ba yen teacher de baako. Anke bitimi convince one more munye Christopher no. Omo, ka nyina ye teach one thing. Me practice one thing na. Anke nyina ye be baako. Anke one more munye Christopher no. It will be convincing them. They will be convinced. Say, we no munye omudi nyamiechi, but enere and never confusion. You say a bit more or me a crop for. It's a sort of cocoa we are the near body tune or prefer say before Bible now or their tune is no why they would deep intro a dad and for. But you make like I say almost 70 or 80%, you know. Okay, you know, yeah, the back one, you see a Bible now. I can be convincing woman now, mother down said, Debbie, say na quality. But and then and I will see a Bible no name. Oh, Bible no, I can tell you no. So who name 66 book no crap, who name say 66 books, and I say, who name say, Yachro Greek mu, and I say Hebrew mu, and I say 40 Nipedian a Troya. And no yeah, but and service, unim sana. Nemun, a nibi hona, I was so pa, I was so your degree no any the same, but what person be your Christian, and I say you Christian, and I say person teach Bible na, and I was so pa. The eno na senkeyin na itimiti ase ni esuani ehu a anke from that time if you kon ananke the unity no. Kabum no kebeba amaye. I just say kaka unim kaka which me akotoka. But so be so kaka na ye will waste and I say method would be the which answer. No akoso wakaka. What you mean kotoka no keke na odi nam. Odi odi nam keke wo se kwa ni nyina ye dia. Debbie yes, Anna, I say within a minute, no, but could you bet you and I saw Ubako. If you say, unim rules, no, unim quiet method, and I was say, would they ushia theoretically, no, any practical, unim, and sign a Bible, no, tear. Bible, no, answer, because of Bible, we say, no, may fat na me de ato me ho so na me di so no ni me bi o na I will say, ti ase ye na se nke yinya ye ti ase sana. Anka unity ka beba yemu no ka bi sin ka kremofon kwa na ka bibire kwa anka no ko meka se ampa kisoso enu osono a onyame eyesi yo enti na Paul ka che Timothy se omo no mo de anu nsu na mi asem se me ya onyo obi a nani bewu onyame ani e bi se onyame nyame asem se won ti ase na adi so bia onimka ka no faka no de na basasa na onyame se woni begu ase wonanim enye se woni begu ase nko a wodi nkofo so abeko wo enti po ka che se onsua na ye no nko a ye nyina Kristo ni bia obi a obasa wo so yo Kristo ni o a wo so beso tishiro ye nyina ni ensua enti o so ye sana obetimi ayede apapa King James say rightly dividing the word of truth or handling the word of truth. And then how can you say no a kwabe first one be ya with me dividing the word of truth? Sassing is very, very important. How to divide the word of truth. onyame asem on kase fa sika na efe twitwa Bible nim na mu no say and of to say Satan we say no say ni see Satan we say ni see Satan we say ni see enti no yen no say ene yen kwan be so ne yemfa we so ana asa be musa ne ma we nyina no e dey say usua Bible enti na say we say usua na wo ti ase a the first thing I say any the Bible divisions. So Bible divisions no enu na ye be ka ho asem no. The first division na your Bible no and a patriarchal period. So ye chano Abraham no sen no musumo ye. Sen no musumo ye ka so suma osumo ye ade a wagye di. So omu gidi se nyame a obo so da sase no ono bo wo eye bibia ma wo na wa kire ceremonial way no a kire se we show say yes me do nyame a kire se akola o se me pe papa se me pe mama se yes what can theoretically no what can but practically no say we dey udi o masem so we show yes mo no akọ see no aye and you you can say worship ni say who faith on nyame na faith no what demonstrate and you know Abraham muni Isaac no muni Noah no no ye be hwese ne omo no omo time no omo period no omo ye de omo gina medi ye ne se ne omo ye de omo som ye enye se ne eniema se ne omo didi ye ana se ntare omo hye ye ne mu no se ne omo som ye enu se yetimi hu ni ehu a na fe ne ebisa ye ho question that question no be last na satam no o say na ye fa ne say Adam and Eve onyakopo momra o man so set no Noah onyakopo kasa kire wo o say satam no na emra na onyakopo edima wo no na ye nchiro ye o ni Bible satam na Bible ni ho a o be chiro na anope bia no ayi wakofa no we o musa time no o musa period no onyakopo edi abofo no o makasa kire no Abraham you see Noah you see Jacob you see anything on written law Lord we no o ma no o ya ntrant ho enti satam no o mo wo mra so wo ho emra be ya enne se woni obi kasa na wo cheche no mu se enne no ye o period we say mu ntino say ni say ya no o si enti be so che say 10 commandments no ye ndi su bi ma na obi ayi no pa na debi that time no na 10 commandments no me kan 10 commandments me kan 9 because Sabbath ndie ene de Israel fon kon e de ma wo I say ye no Ghana ye wo Independence Day 6 March and Ghana fon kon a ye de ho we na mu no 9 na aka sa 9 no na wi obia edi so obia edi so ene ne fe no the law of nature nipa de se ni bia se ye wo a onyakopo ma o conscience a ultimate differentiate bad from evil obi do stage bia obi hu enti no on se tro bia o ko to camera na yesi o inbuilt light yeah oni pe bia enti sa 9 commandments no any efe no the basic principle a basic principle of God righteousness e wo biem enti no na Abraham time no na omni emra Bible say no mo enso sana law of nature no sana we say no ene ne ka ho no baby omuti no omkuru no mra no nyina no omunyum ni nyina because eyadea obia u nyame di o u nyame ni o obia samra no obia sani si hu so wo hwe Cain okun ninia ebena onim se why onim se okun unua why den boni onim Abraham okọ Egypt no esan say ne ho efenti no Egypt Pharaoh efa no na Pharaoh fa no Genesis chapter 12 no anajo no Yakobon yi ne ho chere say hwe hu ye ejina no pa no odi Sarah by na asem no catch Abraham say Abraham na adna na wu twantro a chere na wo ka say we eye ya so o mu say sanka Abraham ka say ene yire akọ ye ne hwe because o mu say to sleep with somebody's wife no wrong and o catch say wo hu ana wu ana na wan kan chere ye nti o mu say entro cry no bon enti za take my mothers money lies no ni fornication adultery no and law of nature na you now be any abi me the case as the same thing Genesis chapter 18 Genesis chapter 20 sorry and Abraham did the same thing on so sa no catch no and na won catch him say u can say you nua it's na we yire and say Abraham catch him say any yire on touch no e be say onim say adultery no boni it is the law of nature no there Ushemu a uhwe Genesis Exodus 20 na almost 9 no obia sankofo no mu nsum nyame kura o nim nyame kura enti no sambra ne de obia ye obia ye nananom nyina tama bible no mai kura no mu nim se uko wi ade e boni o mu nim ana o mu nim se uni obi yiri ko ba e boni o mu nim se uko twantra e boni enti sa the 9 commandment no sir, and then a friend with the law of nature. And it's not Paul can or Romans chapter 2 no. Or say, for when the Gentiles who do not have the law, or cast the Gentiles no, tamano no muni emrano no or catch or we say no is true for no mrano. Judaism no. And no on can 10 commandments no has no or can the totality of the law, the whole system. Send you be on medidi intali on meshe. So no mesum leverage for almost 500-600 laws. More than that. And no can say not 10 for no omuni enubi. Samra no agenta for no. You can agenta for na yen onye Jew for no. Onyame amfa sa osum no ama na Israel for kwa na onu omu esum. But o can say and of course o say and Gentiles who do not have the law no, by nature do what the law themselves require. They are a law to themselves. Even though they do not have the law, they show that the work of the law written on their hearts and their conscience also bear witness. And their conflicting thought, I accuse and excuse them. The law of nature, no. The whole system of Israel, and so no, the law of nature, no. San 9 commandment no eno obia obi anything no Onyankopon oseni Jonah eko Nineveh no wada so o side no Iraq ale ono ni covenant bi ani no say ebi say oni say the law of nature no obia ni eto mu say bonu no koso sa no suma Jonah so nkokolo so hu enti no Satan no na omuni written officially we na Onyankopon di ma Israel for no ono otroma wo said that 10 commandment na ye 10 commandment nko awo NBC o 10 commandment the summary no mra no di mo nyina no is almost 600 mo mu nim no ma tro no o ma we no say almost 600 until o ka say the law na enye 10 commandments nko na o ka wa say eno officially no di ma Israel for but yena nanom Abraham we say ni de no mu nim re bia Abraham wajimi edi okay me maw covenant o man nyina na obusuafo nyina munye de mu circumcise Abraham say mate wo na boss no aka kire no na Abraham 99 years pa no oyede o circumcise ni man nyina na o hwemu agidi Abraham nyae no enye gide kitwa ebi say wo de hwe 99 years na oyede say ada say Abraham circumcise ebi eno ba ku be circumcise so na say ono na circumcise so nyina ana de ono ankasa nko abi circumcise no wonderful ya de bia say wo hwemu a wo ka se bia easy easy don't know timi hu sa I don't know but jidie but ya be say me chere say Satan nyina no Yakobon kasa kire wo o kasa kire wo o ma written law the law of nature no na we and at that time no so no no almost is temple and now almost is a solid time Pia Ghana Uko Ghana a solid time to ultimate kind a solid time ultimate kind but that time no means a solid time there be a solid time be any omunko shame and tonyom and fire any collection and I say omu di lo sopa that time no one that period no kwa omo de faso omo faso no say Abraham no sorry as a leader of the family no and Jacob and Isaac and Noah no why then what the boy bo ram no we try journey ko so no about for it na we say no ashes no na eko musie no eno sa no mo ye what a sacrifice no abo asori dem bi eni ho we bi eni ho Sabbath bi eni ho sa ana na o me de o musum bom nyame o mun ku hiem ka se ye beton no ibi collection de ye be say de bi na asori kwan de ni enti wo hwe satam na wo ho satam sa na o musum nyame emra no yakopon eni o mun kasa o nyame mun kasa direct and Hebrew one was in it olden time when I use different way but and then what Casachin it true yes but Satabano San or Casachero only Emrebia or I actually I told him and then if you find Bible who can see I'm okay when you are in Bible near Yoka but Satam Abraham Bible be anyhow the GDA Noah who feel acting by no bar for ye San no musum nyame omunko si asoro dem bia omunko say hwem into collection the head of the family no ono no bibi sa and no musum nyame eno any venom patriarchal age the head of the family will the family there were no written law the way of worship no is animal sacrifice ono no abo apatano o de bo style we no ya chiro so sin rando o sin square in the chiro Genesis chapter 22 when I go catch and say on Isaac and go back for you Abraham call no aye Isaac say na ujano we fa o sin God will provide oh enti no omo no sometime no san na no musum nyame enti no se wo be se usua Bible na first of all I was so say ye na no say no musum ye na fe no we bisa ho say okay say no musum ye enti no eneno yensum say bia na na oni obi ni mi kasa mo say ah Bible do de na me say me nyibi film me fa bi ka ho na Onyankopon is today tomorrow forever yes Onyankopon is today tomorrow and forever I am pa me nyibi film me fa bi ka ho am pa enti no sa ni yensum ana enne yeko bo yefa analysis yeko cement wo yeko si cement na mo we round na fa yetwa mo na nam no kwa dwan kwa si yebi mpo na o ka so ko to dwan go twanti obi ni ho sisi a obisa na obeka che o se yensum sa eso si ya tro Bible ni adenti e wo se wo se sa period no enye sa period no na ye wum sa period no wo se wo se sa na wo de omoso enti se wo ko hu obi na se o wabo wa yo te bi no o se obi o cho dwen go si na obi se kojo na we de o se hwe na won kan Bible na say o Abraham ye we Isaac ni Jacob no nyira Noah no o mo ye sacrifice o mo twan no mo ye we se na antin na other side no so we hu kosi so no yiri no ho born ark kosi na obo ark na o se hwe na hu Noah na Noah bo ark pa antin no Onyankopon ba na se gya no to a me wurem wesre o beka de na beka kai se o kosi kojo bi ade na wo ye no wo zi se o be se osum nyame na nya sa eye sa period no sana na omusom omo period no sana na omusom ene obi ni ho so usum sa bisrewa o de friend say onui oboa sana na mesum ti ne sacrifice me ne family ne children sa you know yes eso dey atro Bible no enti sa mi bi mfi mi bi nka ho no e under that period no but nyame asem e ya pa e nyame asem me bi mfi me fe bi nka ho omu onyame no ono a oye onyame oye rock of ages the nature no the same on change me say uhumi na madafu bi ohumi o share me 20 years ohumi o no say eh kwabna say out in sana out you ampa but me change me way at me yade way so me yade me change into the coupon or a rock of ages or say nature no sanity and so he the way or yade no o change no. And you know, God is today, tomorrow, forever. And yes, Bible no nyina na we bia na wo ye. Wo sia, ye wo sia wo betime sia. No hu se ne a ye na nanom som ye. Be ne kire se koye sa. Dabi. O kutumi ko toka na wo de nam keke. E wo se wo sia na hu method no. Say answer na why den no kaka no. And this is the way. Say ge nyina ye nim se time no say na mo wo som nyame ntino. Okay, ye this period na anke beti ase na yeba become Muzaka age no na yeba Christian age na fini ahwe anke be easy amaye ka Christopher ke be easy amaye entino ene no ni yebese ye kan se yebese ye kire se so patriarchal period no say na ye nananom ye janom Abraham Isaac and Jacob no Noah no say na o msom nyame emra no de ma onyame ene o kasa direct na wa mom emra ya chiro ato se de no onyo mkasa eka emrada na ewo nature no the law of nature na yin panyina no no mudiso omanko bopata ana so omanko si dan ana sa sorry dan anye we sanye manyina no satam no enye san no musum nyame etisi yetimi utimi tiase a na fe ni abase the second period no eno ne friend Muzaka age no na eno no this time no yebe paso ni abe chere Muzaka age no say na no musum nyame ni ahwe se e the same ana say a different woman na ni ebi say am say yes yen say bia na but ye hu say Muzaka period so no musum nyame no enye sa ene obie ni ho sum sa enyame asem de but ene sa period na enye period na yewu entino dream na fa we two dream afi ye course no afi no wa no wa beti ase se e ampa senior se ye period ni enti ye de si ase na nyame boa na o mai ho de ye be san bebio ni aba the second part no ye friend Muzaka age no if Muzaka age na ni aba Christian age na fi ni ensa we ni atom na wa bisa ho se enti no period ben na wo enu no be ma ye nyina sa ke nyina ye tiase a ka kisusum ke be from the ana ka be the foundation ke be nyina ke be tikisusum aso aka division aka kesi e wo yimu ke nyina beko enti no ido nyame ase na ma mutie su no munyinu mu na wo question bi a wutimi chiroba be discussing na minka ye hononka obia kusita na be share bio o Yesu din amen.